Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so first of all, today's video is a collab with Tracy. She is Lilith_Luna on all of the socials. We both picked up the Glaminatrix Cosmetics Barely Basic palette, which is right here, is absolutely beautiful, is perfect for fall. Just look at how beautiful that palette is. So I am feeling like orange, so I think I'm gonna do this orange column right here, but I think just to mix it up a little bit in the center of my eye, I'm just gonna do like on one, do like a, for one, I think I want to do like a green shimmer in the center, and the other one I want to do like a pink shimmer in the center, just to kind of change it up a little bit. So that's what I think we're going to be working with. I'll probably, with my brain, forget that. But again, feeling orange. So I want to go in with the Revlon Color Stay Satin Ink in the shade Holy Pumpkin. This is absolutely beautiful. It is perfect for fall. And if you know me, I've been waiting for fall since it ended last year. All right. And it's a little cooler today. I'm not sure how humid it is, and I can see the sun coming out now. I should have gotten out earlier to get my nature time in, because once it starts heating up here, like, it heats up. But I've just been exhausted, not sleeping well, just going through it, so I just needed some sleep. Okay, so let's get started. I just kind of want like a little bit of a softer look, so I'm not going to really like stamp down the shades really hard like sometimes I do if I'm doing like a different type of look. I just kind of want this to be kind of softer, and then the shimmers to be the focus. Alright you guys, so if you are not subscribed to Tracy's channel, I don't remember if I said that earlier or not. Like I said, I'm just going through it. My memory is not good. My brain, I'm just like stressed out to the max. But seriously, go subscribe to Tracy's channels. Alright, let's start with the shade Pumpkin Spice. Tracy's really, really sweet. She loves horror stuff like I do, and she does some really cool makeup tutorials, and she also does fashion videos as well. So definitely check her out. And we've done a couple collabs together, so I'm sure you've probably seen her, unless you're like brand new to my channel. In which case, welcome. Or if you're here from Tracy's channel, also welcome. I usually do two completely different eyes, but I'm just really feeling the orange look today. I think you guys, I'm gonna be right back. I've got a little fan going on Sophie's cage, but I just, for some reason, I feel like it's a lot louder than usual. She's outside because it's nice and cool, so she's like, both the dogs are outside loving this weather. So let me go turn that off and I'll be right back. All right, I am back. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Comment, just to deepen the crease a little bit. Alright you guys, so what do we all think about the new makeup releases that are coming out? Bella Beauté bar, that Vamp palette is absolutely gorgeous. And just a reminder, I do have a code with Bella Beauté bar. It's just my first name, Ashley, ASHLEY. If you guys, I believe you'll save 10%. And it is an affiliate code, so I will make a very small commission. I'm just throwing it out there. If you want to help me out to use that code, I would really appreciate it. But if not, it's totally cool. I know a lot of creators have discount codes, and I do have my discount or affiliate codes down below in my description box, which I will also have Tracy's channel linked as well. I'm like horrible at remembering to mention these things, so I'm trying to get better. And Glamlight with the Coca-Cola collection. I did pick up both of the palettes. I just kind of wanted to see what they were like, and I got them on the live that they had. So I got, like, they were discounted, and I got like an additional, I think 20 or 25% off. So I'm really, really excited to try those out. I'm waiting for that Michael Myers collection from Glamlight. I love Michael Myers, so I just cannot wait to just get my hands on that palette. Maybe the whole collection, just depending on what's going on, what's in it. All right, I want to do my lower lash line right now just because. So I'm going to take the shade Review, and that is going to be our lower lash line shade. Yeah, just it seems like all the brands are like coming out with everything right now, and I'm like, slow down, slow down. Only have so much money going into my bank account from the job, you know? All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put down some glitter glue. Guys, I'm sorry, I forgot to turn my phone off. So this is the shade Viral. I'm going to put that on both lids, and then we're just going to kind of put like a different shade in the center of each eye just to do just a little bit something different. Oh, also speaking of new releases, Inslee Rain has a new palette that just looks absolutely gorgeous as well. Are there any new releases that you guys are super, super, super excited about? Also, I think it was NBA Cosmetics. They came out with a really, really, really beautiful palette recently. I don't remember what it's called, but I've never tried any of their products. So if you guys have tried their eyeshadows, like, how are they? I would love to know. Because I feel like they're a brand that you don't hear a lot of people talk about. And there are a lot of good brands out there that I just haven't heard of. So if there is one that you highly recommend, just let me know down below. All right, so I think I want to, what did I say? I was gonna go in with like a greenish shade and a pink shade. Okay, yeah, so I think I'm gonna start with the shade GRWM, and that is gonna go in the center of this eye right here. Just really like a little hint of something else. Very, very, very pretty. And then this eye, I'm gonna go in with the shade OOTD right here. And again, just for a little pop of something different, you know? If you're doing a look and you just feel like you need a little something different, just take any different shade that's a little lighter and just put it right in the center of your eye. Totally will change up the look. And it's a very simple way to do it. Okay, so for the lower inner corner highlights, I'm just gonna take this shade FYP right here. I always just like to do a little lower inner corner, just something to add just a little extra shimmer. I just think it's a really pretty way to also add a little something special to a look. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. I just think it just really helps light up your eyes. All right. So I think that's it. I don't think there's any fallout. I'm gonna go do my mascara, fix the bangs, and I will be right back. All right, you guys, so I am back, and just like for a little extra touch, because I'm just feeling extra today, I'm gonna take the Mandy Makeup Lightworker Blush Light in the shade Supernova. And I'm just gonna put that a little bit on where my blush is, because I'm just, like I said, feeling extra, and I just love how this looks. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that like over here where my blush is, just to kind of bring that out a little bit more. And then we're gonna go on in with the highlight over that, because again, just feeling extra today. I don't know what it is, but just feeling very, very extra, just wanting to just add a little more, you know? All right, so got that down. Now, I love using the highlighter in the shade, let's see, I'm trying to see, do I want to go Soulfire or California Dreamin'? I'm kind of, maybe I want to do Soulfire today. Let's do Soulfire. So the Mandy Makeup Lightworker Highlight in Soulfire. Okay, yeah, that looks awesome together. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful. I just love this so much. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful. I can never have enough shimmer in my life, so perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, now I'm gonna add, or no, not add, I'm just gonna spray my face with, once I can get this lid on right, I'm gonna use my Rick and Morty setting spray. All right, you guys, so I got the setting spray done. Whew. All right, let's take a little look, final look. Y'all know I love this palette so much. It's the Glaminatrix Barely Basic palette. Here is another look at this really, really beautiful palette. The shimmers, phenomenal, mattes blend beautifully. And again, this video was a collab with Tracy. She's Lilith_Luna on all the socials. I'll have her YouTube linked below. Go check out her channel, show her some love, subscribe to her channel, do all the things, you guys, and just let me know what upcoming releases or recent releases are y'all excited about. What have you picked up? What are you loving? Let me know all the things below. If you want to help me out, literally just give this video a thumbs up, comment something down below, and share my content. If there's someone that you know that you think might enjoy it, that would be a huge, huge help. That would mean the world to me. We're getting close to 800, you guys. I never thought I would even have like 100 subscribers on my channel, so that is crazy. And seriously, if you take time out of your day to watch my videos, thank you. Like, that right there just means so much to me. You have no idea. I understand how crazy and out of control life can be and is. It's honestly all I've ever known. So I know I try to watch everyone's videos as much as I can. I just, with things that are going on in my life, I end up with less and less time to do anything. But I really do try and watch everyone's videos as much as I can. So if you are watching this, seriously, thank you. That means so much to me. Just thank you so much. And please remember that you are all beautiful, you are loved, you're amazing, and have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see y'all in the next one.